that a person?
No, I don't think so.
It's a blank blank and the blank blank?
Mm-hmm.
When you see this from blank blank, is that from like 1 AD or from 1 BC to 1 something?
I wouldn't expect a dot to be there.
Oh, okay. Right. Because that's a decimal point, right? It would have been a dash.
It could be like 1.5G to
I see.
2.5G if it's
I see.
grams.
I see, okay. Can I go try it by myself with guessing?
Well, what would you want to
I
guess?
don't know.
Okay, well, here's something.
What is this of?
So this, I feel like this is saying that it's some like Mediterranean volcano or Mediterranean island or something.
Why is that?
Well, this Mediterranean is 13. Like, is a Mediterranean volcano in the something something sea?
In the where
But
do you see?
I don't have any. I don't. It just has
I
that.
see.
It just
I
has the
see. I
shape
see.
of
I
like
see. I see. Okay.
like this, also known as the something, is a like a Mediterranean volcano in the South Aegean Sea, right? Like obviously that doesn't fit, but it has the shape of being something like that. This looks like it might be like linear B or
Linear B.
the writing system on Crete for like Old Mycenaean. But it could also be it could also be like Sumerian or Akkadian or something. Like this could say that it's referenced in it is listed in the something composed around 1000 BC among the something that is the Aegean Sea.
Does it seem to have any classical reference?
Oh,
Like
I think
Troy
it's a
or
star. It's a star.
how do you know that?
It's within a few degrees of the something pole, and it instead of being a volcano in the sea, it's
Could 5 be light?
it's a constellation visible in the something something sky.
Ah. Constellation is 13.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's either far northern sky or far southern sky.
I don't know many constellations coming off the top of my head. Is for a star, a bear? Would it help to figure out what?
Oh, do you think it's Ursa Major or Ursa Minor? That would make sense. And then it's Latin for either little. No, wait, Little. That's 6. Little bear.
Is there a bear?
Yeah. So either Ursa Major or Ursa Minor, but they would both fit. Little
No.
bear fits here. I think Ursa Major would just be like.
Big bear.
Yeah, is it big or bigger?
Well, bigger is 7. No,
No,
bigger is
bigger is
6.
6. So
Bigger.
if it's little bear, that fits. If it's bigger bear, that
All right. Well, let's see where it's.
um, also known as the maybe little bear.
Well, little and bigger are the same.
As with this may be the other one, the
Where?
other bear. The head of the little bear can also be seen as the and maybe like the head of a spoon or something.
Is
Because isn't it like the Big Dipper is somehow involved? I think, or the Little Dipper. Ursa Major or Minor was one of the like 30 constellations, uh, like documented by the so and so. So I think what we should do is guess Ursa. Get that and see if it
Oh yeah.
reveals
Okay.
anything that helps us determine whether it's the major or the minor.
Oh my goodness. Well, major. If this is major or minor, what is what is that saying here?
Either bigger bear or little bear, comparatively with Ursa, the other one.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Why would it be bigger? I mean, meaning little is comparative to the major, but major, I don't know. It seems like
Major
all right,
is
all right.
the.
It's big, but it's not necessarily bigger. But that's okay. I'm just trying to.
Or is it? Do they mean older and younger?
I don't think so. I mean, but I'm just trying to say why little as compared to big. Why is it little as compared to bigger?
Because that's what fits. Either these are
Okay,
Either this is a
okay.
comparative
I
because
see.
I think major and minor are comparative,
Okay.
or it's just the plain adjective.
Okay.
If it's just the plain adjective, then it would be little, and it would be compared with Ursa Major.
Right.
If it's a comparative, then it's bigger bear, and it's compared,
The
and this
minor.
is just
Okay,
Ursa
okay,
Minor.
okay.
Well, this is not
Well,
comparatively.
isn't this as the bigger? Wouldn't six
Also
be
known
big
as the little bear, or also known as the bigger bear.
Oh, okay, all right, okay.
This kind of implies that the other one is
As with the blah blah
5.
blah.
The bigger bear.
So what is this? The star or
The head.
The head
Or the tail.
Okay, all right. Of the bigger bear has.
This could just be comparative.
Right. Well, that doesn't tell you
So,
what you're comparing.
well, it does. If it's
does?
comparative, then this has to be bigger because smaller is 7, littler is 7. The only comparative that's bigger is the only comparative that's 6 is bigger.
I see. What's 13 here?
Constellation.
Oh, it was constellation. Well, that was impressive.
But we didn't finish it.
I know, but I mean, my thing would be just to guess. Really, it's all going to fit in, and you'll know which one it is. But by the second, by your third guess.
Right, but the point is to get it
without guessing.
right. I think I believe that
This is bigger.
I think this should be bigger if this is comparative with Ursa Minor. What do you think?
This here, 6, you're saying, has to be bigger bear.
Because it's saying
I know, but
Latin,
major,
bigger bear, comparative with.
does major in Latin
Mean bigger.
mean bigger or just big?
Bigger.
Okay, I guess you're right.
It's grammatically comparative, which is why I think that if they're going to tell us in the Latin section that it's like in the etymology there, or the Latin, they're saying that it's grammatically comparative.
Okay, I see that. Oh, no, yeah. I think you probably.
But right. I mean, maybe it was written in a way that that's not necessarily the case, but that's the evidence we have, and so that's what I want to go with.
Okay.
All right.
What? So this is Ursa Minor. Okay.
Lesser.